The latest jaw-dropping images snapped by the James Webb Telescope have left astronomers scratching their heads and rethinking everything they thought they knew about the universe. Could this discovery be the one to topple our current understanding of the cosmos and revolutionize the field of astronomy? Have you ever thought about how the Earth, the Sun, the Moon, and stars, and the entire universe came to be? If you've seen the popular sitcom The Big Bang Theory, then you most likely have an idea after watching the opening scene of the widely acclaimed show for 12 seasons. You'd also agree that it was quite a catchy way to introduce the concept of the Big Bang hypothesis, which explains how the universe started as a hot, dense state and rapidly expanded over 14 billion years ago. However, the Big Bang Theory is more than a TV series. It's actually one of the most fascinating and widely accepted theories in modern cosmology. This theory describes a colossal explosion that occurred approximately 13.8 billion years ago, creating both space and time while unleashing all the matter and energy that now make up our universe. It's a captivating concept that continues to awe and inspire us as we explore the mysteries of the cosmos. Imagine a tiny singularity that's smaller than an atom suddenly expanding and creating everything that we know and can see today. That's really incredible. But what's even more incredible is the fact that we can't even see it. After all, you'd agree that it's impossible to see an event that happened billions of years ago, right? But what if there's something else we can actually see from this incredible explosion that gave birth to our universe billions of years ago? We're talking about the afterglow of the Big Bang's explosive beginnings. If you're wondering what that even means, you're definitely not alone. You see, about 380,000 years after the universe's expansion began 13.8 billion years ago, a residual heat was left throughout the universe, which covers the entire sky to this day. It has taken scientists a while, but thanks to the groundbreaking work of NASA and ESA satellites such as the Cosmic Background Explorer, the Wilkinson Microwave Anisotropy Probe, WMAP, and Planck, we have been able to map this heat and better understand the early universe. At the time, the universe was incredibly uniform with only small variations in temperature, which laid the foundation for the formation of stars, galaxies, and ultimately life as we know it. But that was until something happened in 1996 that changed everything. It all started when a group of brilliant minds from all over the world came together to create something truly awe-inspiring. With a budget of a staggering $1 billion, these scientists set out to design the most advanced space apparatus in history, with a singular goal in mind: to surpass the legendary Hubble telescope, which was the best thing that had happened to the science of astronomy at that time. The beginning of this amazing project was at first marred with a lot of difficulty and uncertainty. But fast forward to 2015, and a whopping $10 billion later, their dream eventually came to fruition in the form of the James Webb Space Telescope, a veritable behemoth of a machine that's set to revolutionize and is still revolutionizing our understanding of the universe and our cosmic origins. Think of it as a time machine on an unprecedented scale, one that won't physically transport us anywhere, but will instead offer us glimpses of the universe during its earliest stages. With its incredible technology, we'll be able to see back to time when the universe was in its infancy, providing us with valuable insights into how it all began. This incredible feat of human engineering promises to unlock countless mysteries of the cosmos, and we can't wait to see what we will discover with it. As the James Webb Telescope gazes deeper into the cosmos, it's uncovering some truly astonishing and unexpected discoveries. However, not all of them are pleasant. In fact, the telescope has just revealed something so colossal and game-changing that it's sending shockwaves through the entire astronomical and cosmological communities. Hold on tight, because the universe is about to reveal its biggest cosmic bombshell yet. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just another tool in the astronomical toolbox. It's a game changer that's pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. With each new discovery, scientists are left scratching their heads in amazement. But the latest revelation is the ultimate shocker, causing cosmologists and astronomers to question the very foundation of their knowledge about the universe. By capturing images of some of the oldest galaxies in existence, this advanced piece of technology has changed our long-held beliefs about the origin of the cosmos and the Big Bang Theory. The impact of this revelation has been so significant that even Michio Kaku, a renowned theoretical physicist, has shared his thoughts on the matter. NASA's multi-billion-dollar telescope, according to NASA's latest findings, has picked up 6 humongous galaxies that are so massive they defy the laws of physics. These behemoths are just as large as our Milky Way, which was formed just 500 to 600 million years after the Big Bang. And their existence has been dubbed a universe breaker by the team of astronomers who made the discovery. And why not? If it's indeed true, then this discovery could very much shatter our entire understanding of how galaxies are formed. Erica Nelson, an assistant professor of astrophysics at the University of Colorado, who also happens to be a member of the team behind the groundbreaking discovery, recently shed light on this new discovery. According to Nelson, the universe wasn't supposed to have the ability to form these 6 massive galaxies at all so quickly after the Big Bang. So, if these big galaxies are not supposed to exist, how did they form? Scientists think the process began to unfold gradually within a few hundred million years after the Big Bang, as the first clumps of stars started to merge. However, these are all just speculations, as scientists are unable to tell or explain what really happened. This just goes to show that there are still a billion things we don't know about ourselves and the entire universe. Additionally, as we peer deeper into the universe, we're essentially turning back the cosmic clock and glimpsing into its distant past. And by harnessing the incredible power of the James Webb telescope, scientists have been able to peer 13.5 billion years back in time, revealing a mind-boggling discovery. According to current theories, about 1 to 2 billion years after the Big Bang, something incredible happened. Proto-galaxies, the cosmic building blocks of the universe, started maturing into tiny dwarf galaxies. But that was just the beginning of their journey. These little guys began merging and devouring each other, growing larger and more complex until they became the majestic galaxies that we know and love today, like our very own Milky Way. This implies that massive galaxies had already sprung into existence when the universe was a mere 3% of its current age, shortly after the Big Bang. It's a revelation that changes our understanding of how the cosmos came to be, and it's left astronomers and cosmologists scrambling for answers to the controversies it brings, from creation to evolution. These colossal galaxies are so massive that they challenge 99% of the models for cosmology. This implies that either these models need to be revised or our understanding of how galaxies are formed requires a complete overhaul. This in and of itself is yet another mind-bending discovery by the James Webb Space Telescope that is shaking the foundations of astrophysics. Just to give you a better understanding of the situation, the Milky Way galaxy to which we belong generates only 1 or 2 new stars every year. In contrast, the massive galaxies discovered by the James Webb Telescope would have had to produce hundreds of new stars annually throughout the history of the universe based on their sheer size. If even one of these galaxies is proven to be genuine, it will completely challenge the boundaries of our understanding of cosmology, compelling us to reassess everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. Although the nature of these cosmic objects is not yet entirely clear, initial observations suggest that they are most likely galaxies, although there is a slim chance that they could be supermassive black holes or quasars. Regardless of their specific classification, what is certain is that their mass is enormous, and their discovery is shaking up our previously held scientific beliefs and theories about the formation of galaxies in the early universe. But before we dive deeper into the cosmos, let's take a minute to appreciate the phenomenal apparatus behind this discovery. Really, the James Webb Telescope has exceeded expectation and is living up to its reputation as a game changer in the field of astronomy. By peering back into the deepest reaches of the universe, it has changed our assumptions and forced us to re-examine our understanding of the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope has detected these massive galaxies that were previously unknown and have provided new estimates for the amount of mass in stars during this early period of the universe. These estimates are much greater than what was previously believed, and the discovery has been hailed as a significant breakthrough in our understanding of the universe, especially considering that the Hubble Space Telescope was not able to detect these massive galaxies before. Its latest discovery of massive galaxies from the early universe has left scientists stunned and excited about the possibilities of what else it may uncover. However, this is not the first time the James Webb Space Telescope has caused a stir with its groundbreaking discoveries. Just last year, James Webb Space Telescope shook things up with a significant breakthrough in the Big Bang theory. As humans, knowledge is one of our greatest strengths, and that's why we constantly seek answers and push the boundaries of our understanding. But when something as fundamental as the Big Bang Theory is challenged, it can be a little unnerving. After all, the Big Bang Theory is the basis of our understanding of the origins of the universe. If it's not accurate, then what is? Or do we need to rethink everything we thought we knew about the cosmos? Or is there an alternate explanation that we haven't even considered yet? These questions can be both exciting and terrifying, as they force us to confront the unknown and expand our understanding of the universe around us. Let's take a step back to really dive into the nitty-gritty of how the James Webb Space Telescope is throwing the Big Bang Theory into doubt. The initial images captured by Webb have unveiled the existence of massive galaxies that formed within a mere 250,000 years after the Big Bang. But that's not all. One particular galaxy, named Sears 93316, dates back a whopping 235,000 years after the Big Bang, which means that its light has taken a staggering 13.5 billion years to reach us. And that's not even the most mind-boggling part. These ancient galaxies seem to be more massive than what we previously thought, raising concerns about the accuracy of our standard cosmological model. To top it off, they also appear eerily smooth and aged, which only makes it more confusing. If the Big Bang occurred only 250 million years ago, how could these galaxies have fully formed into what we see today? How can galaxies that formed just 250 million years after the Big Bang already look so mature and massive? It's almost as if they had started forming before the Big Bang, which challenges the entire premise of the theory. Did they somehow cheat the timeline and start forming before the Big Bang even occurred? The last images depict 6 galaxies that are among the oldest ever observed, and their massive size dwarfs that of the Milky Way galaxy. And to add to another layer of confusion, these galaxies that are supposedly more massive than our Milky Way appear smaller in the Webb images than in the ones taken by Hubble. It's as if the universe is playing a cosmic game of hide and seek, and we are left to wonder what other surprises we might find. Well, science is all about discovery and growth. And the James Webb Space Telescope's recent findings have certainly caused a stir in the world of astronomy. While it may seem like these discoveries are challenging our current understanding of the universe, it's important to remember that science is a constantly evolving field. As we gather more information and make new observations, our theories and models may need to be revised to better explain the world around us. Perhaps these new observations will spark exciting new avenues of research and help us gain a deeper understanding of the formation and evolution of galaxies. Regardless, it's an exciting time for astronomy, and we can't wait to see what new discoveries lie ahead.